Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Students, welcome to virtual session of week 12 of IT project management course. If you can listen to me properly, please raise your hand. Okay, thank you. Let me share slides of this week with you. Okay, so these are the slides for this week. We are talking about project communication management in this week. I have already covered all of these slides. If you have any question from these slides, you can ask me now. These are the processes of project communication management. We've studied the different methods of stakeholder management. We make a stakeholder register and the management strategy. Then we talked about making communication management plans. Then the contents of the plan were discussed. Then different methods for distributing the information and how to keep the most important information intact. Then understanding the communication needs. Then we talked about different aspects of how to communicate the bad news. We talked about how many number of communication channels can exist, and the expectation management matrix. This is a sample of matrix. Then 3 different types of reports: status, progress, and forecast reports, and their purposes. And then we started different conflict handling modes. As a project manager, which you can deploy, you can adopt any of the approach depending on the situation. And then the need to have group thinking. Then how to run effective meetings. Then use of emails, instant messaging, and collaborative tools. Some collaborative tools. Then the use of templates for communication. These are some of the templates. Then why it is important to make lessons learned report so that it can help you in future projects and with the other people working on the same project. Maintaining the importance of maintaining the project archives, having the project website, using different tools to help you in communication. Okay, if you have any question, you can ask me now from this. No, all of the slides are included. Yes, for databases I have already announced it. For IT project management, all the slides are included for this week. Okay, no problem. I have 2 questions for you. Okay, I am pasting some questions. I want you to find the answer of these questions, and after some time, I'll get answers from you. Okay, keep the solution with you. I'm turning the microphone off, but I'm placing questions on the content area. You keep watching it, and after some time, maybe after 15 minutes, or after 15 minutes of posting the questions, I will ask you to answer these questions. Okay? Because the contents of this week are already over, so in today's sessions we can perform some exercises. So I'll be pasting some questions, and you try to solve these questions. Okay? Okay guys, so let's find out the answers to these questions now. These are some of the sample questions I found from the web. There are many, like you can solve many exercises and many MCQs, tests, there are many material available about project communication management over the web. These are some of the sample questions which I have picked for you. Now let's talk about the first question, that was about how many communication channels does a project team with 6 people have. So using the formula, so what's your answer? We'll use the formula to calculate this. So what's the answer of question 1? Yes, 15, because 6 multiplied by 6 minus 1, that's 5, 30 divided by 2. So it will give me 15. And how many more communication channels were there if the team grew to 10 people? So what's the answer to this? Yes, it's correct. Now anyone else tell me the answer to this, the second question, the third question, that is, the contemporary view of conflict is that, you have to select one option. Conflict is bad, conflict is caused by troublemakers, conflict should be avoided, and conflict is often beneficial. And no, it's not number 2. Anybody else? Anyone else try it? So what can be the contemporary view? It means the current view of how we view it. Yes, it's number 4. Because we view conflict in this way as well, that conflict is often beneficial. Okay, now let's come to the next question. You are holding a kickoff meeting for the build out of a new data center. This will be the largest, most costly, and most complex project you have worked on in your career. You have counted up the number of stakeholders, vendors, and project team members to be 52. In order to stress to the group how important and difficult communication will be on the project, you want to tell them how many channels of communication exist on the project. So what you would tell them? Yes, your answer is correct, Fatma. It's 1326 channels. By using the same formula, we'll calculate this, and the number of communication channels is 1326. And last question. You are the project manager and are responsible for the development of a mall, a shopping mall. As with any construction project, there will be multiple interactions of blueprints and engineering drawings. So you have decided to create an online database that can be used to query the documents by name. It means during the project, you will be having different forms of documents to exchange. So what you have done is that you have created an online database by which everybody will be exchanging documents. So they will be used to query the document by name, type, date, etc. This is an example of what type of communication tool. So is it a lesson plan? Is it project management information system? Is it configuration management system, or is it project records? Yes, Amal, your answer is right. It will be project management information system, because everybody will be interacting and querying the project documents using the system, so it will be project management information system. Now I would suggest that you practice with similar type of questions, because this is week 12 and only 2 more weeks are left. So with every knowledge area, when we will search over the web, you'll find different questions, and there are some online quizzes as well which you can solve and assess your knowledge, that how much you have learned, like after reading all the slides and after reading each chapter, then you can assess that where you stand. Okay? Now you have seen your midterm exam as well, what type of exam you are expected to solve. So prepare yourself well according to the type of exams, and hopefully, and I wish you all the best, that you will be scoring good in the final exam. You will be performing better than the midterm exam. Okay? Now you can ask me if you have any question from this week contents or from any of the previous week contents. Yes, inshallah, you'll be doing it. You're doing fine. But not all of you are participating. I want participation of everyone in the class and as well as in the virtual class. All of you should participate. Okay, now I'm turning my microphone off, but I'm available. If you have any question, you can type in the chat panel and I'll answer you over there. Okay? Latifa, can't you see the contents which is on the board? Yes, I have marked your attendance. I'll mark attendance at the end of the session because I listen to the recording later and then I see that you have logged in and have stayed over here. So I mark your attendance then. Okay, girls, thank you very much. I'm available over here. You can type in the chat panel if you find any questions. Okay? Thank you.